Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Voicemod and allowing microphone permissions. This lets the app capture audio. Next, set Voicemod as your default input in Windows or Mac OS sound settings so apps route through it. Once done, open the Voicemod app and confirm the correct microphone is selected. Adjust input gain to avoid clipping. Make sure other audio programs are closed, because conflicts change routing. These steps ensure Voicemod is active and ready to receive and process your voice in real time. You now choose sounds and effects inside Voicemod. Preview each to hear character and latency. Once you pick one, assign it to the soundboard or create a custom preset. Save frequently so you don't lose tweaks. Then bind hotkeys for quick toggles or route Voicemod into OBS or Discord by selecting the Voicemod virtual device as your mic. When editing the chain, pitch, reverb, listen while you change values. Small steps avoid unnatural artifacts and preserve clarity for viewers or teammates. You finish by testing Voicemod in the app you'll use. Make a short recording in Discord or OBS and listen for artifacts. If something sounds wrong, check the sample rate, 44. 1K HD versus 48K HD mismatch causes pitch shifts and disable exclusive mode in sound settings. Once done, confirm hotkeys work and presets load. If problems persist, restart Voicemod and the system, reinstall audio drivers, or change USB ports. These steps fix common detection and routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.